Literature Out Loud, Sonnet III by William Shakespeare. Look in thy glass, and tell the face thou viewest now is the time that face should form another, whose fresh repair, if now thou not renewest, thou dost beguile the world, unbless some mother. For where is she so fair whose unear'd womb disdains the tillage of her husbandry, or who, is he so fond, will be the tomb of his self-love, to stop posterity? Thou art thy mother's glass, and she in thee calls back the lovely April of her prime. So thou, through windows of thine age, shalt see, despite of wrinkles, this, thy golden time. But if thou live, remembered not to be, die single, and thine image dies with thee.